Hello, friends. In this video, you will learn English phrasal verbs. Let's get started.
Topic: Bathroom. Wipe down toilet lid. Meaning: to clean the surface of the toilet lid with a disinfectant wipe. Example sentence: before you use the toilet, wipe down the toilet lid. Time for potty. Meaning: it's time to use the toilet. Example sentence: come on, sweetie, it's time for potty before we go out. Wash hands. Meaning: let's clean our hands with soap and water. Example sentence: after playing outside, we need to wash hands. Bubble bath fun. Meaning: bath time with bubbles is enjoyable. Example sentence: let's fill the bathtub with bubbles for some bubble bath fun. Brush teeth. Meaning: let's brush our teeth to keep them clean and our smiles bright. Example sentence: before bedtime, we brush teeth for a shiny smile. Flush toilet. Meaning: let's flush the toilet to send the water away. Example sentence: after using the toilet, remember to flush. Say bye-bye to the water. Towel hugs after bath. Meaning: after a bath, we wrap ourselves in a towel for warmth. Example sentence: after the bath, I'll give you towel hugs to keep you warm. Big splash in tub. Meaning: let's make a big splash while playing in the bathtub. Example sentence: watch me make a big splash in the tub. Dry off. Meaning: let's use a soft towel to dry ourselves after the bath. Example sentence: after the bath, we'll dry off with a cozy towel. Wipe face. Meaning: let's use a towel to wipe our face clean. Example sentence: after breakfast, we'll wipe your face clean. So fresh. Rinse. Meaning: let's rinse off all the soap. Example sentence: after washing your hair, we need to rinse. Toothpaste squish. Meaning: squeezing toothpaste onto the toothbrush. Example sentence: let's squish the toothpaste onto the brush. Bath time giggles. Meaning: laughter and joy during bath time. Example sentence: bath time is full of giggles and laughter. Lather up. Meaning: to create a frothy foam by rubbing soap or shampoo with water. Example sentence: I'll lather up with soap before rinsing off. Wash out. Meaning: to clean the inside of something such as a container or sink by rinsing it with water. Example sentence: I'll wash out the shampoo bottle before recycling it. Blow dry. Meaning: to dry something, usually hair, using a hair dryer that blows hot air. Example sentence: after the shower, I'll blow dry my hair. Wash down. Meaning: to clean a surface by washing it with water. Example sentence: I'll wash down the bathtub after taking a bath. Clean up. Meaning: to tidy or remove dirt, mess, or clutter from a space. Example sentence: it's time to clean up the bathroom before guests arrive. Rinse off. Meaning: to remove soap, shampoo, or dirt from oneself or something by using water. Example sentence: after playing in the sand, we need to rinse off our feet in the shower. Wipe away. Meaning: to remove something by wiping it with a cloth or tissue. Example sentence: I'll wipe away the toothpaste residue from the sink. Scrub down. Meaning: to clean a surface thoroughly by scrubbing it with a brush or sponge. Example sentence: we'll scrub down the shower walls to remove the mildew. Swab out. Meaning: to clean the inside of something, usually by using a swab or cloth. Example sentence: after surgery, the nurse gently swabbed out the patient's mouth to keep it clean and prevent infection. Shine up. Meaning: to make something clean and shiny by polishing or wiping it. Example sentence: I'll shine up the faucet to make it sparkle. Polish up. meaning to make something shiny or attractive by polishing it. Example sentence: I'll polish up the bathroom mirror to remove the smudges. Scrub up, meaning to clean oneself thoroughly, often before performing a medical procedure. Example sentence: The surgeon needs to scrub up before entering the operating room. Flush out, meaning to remove dirt or impurities from something by using a stream of water. Example sentence: We'll flush out the drain to remove the clog. Shampoo out, meaning to remove shampoo or lather from hair by rinsing it with water. Example sentence: After washing, I'll shampoo out the soap from my hair. Cleanse away, meaning to remove impurities or dirt from something by cleansing it with water or a cleaning agent. Example sentence: Let's cleanse away the makeup before bedtime. Towel off, meaning to dry oneself by rubbing with a towel. Example sentence: After swimming, I'll towel off before getting dressed. Shower off, meaning to rinse or clean oneself by taking a shower. Example sentence: After playing in the mud, I need to shower off before coming inside the house. Flush down, meaning to dispose of something by flushing it down the toilet. Example sentence: After using tissues, make sure to flush them down the toilet. Shake out, meaning to remove dust or debris from something by shaking it vigorously. Example sentence: Before using the bath mat, let's shake it out to remove any dirt. Rinse away, meaning to wash away or remove something by rinsing it with water. Example sentence: I'll rinse away the soap suds from the bathtub.
Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.